This is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Nothing much for this. As you can see here at the top here, this is pretty much where you go to get your servers. Alright, select your servers. You have the free server section, and as well you have the VIP server section. So you already know VIP is pretty much the fastest server. But if you're not worried about which specific server you're going to use, I recommend let it stay on the automatic. It will select the fastest server for you. So once you have selected your server, it will pretty much ask for connection request. Stop on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. It will start connecting in no time, as you can see here. I'm pretty much connected already. So that's really pretty much how you use the application. Now, to get the VIP or the premium servers, you pretty much have to tap on this option at top here where it says go to premium, and then you'll be able to purchase their premium subscription. Do keep in mind your premium subscription are relatively cheap. It's only $1, as you can see, $1 a month, but they do give you a 3 days free trial to test out their premium servers. So yeah. So that's pretty much it for this application. If I miss anything at all, and do keep in mind you have a limited usage of 3 MB. If you don't have the subscription, you're gonna have limited MB usage. So do keep that in mind as well. But with all that said, guys, you should subscribe to my channel with the notification bell. See you guys in the next one.